Alright, welcome back to Mario Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to be setting up a VPN application called Edoz Tunnel VPN application, and it will be working in all countries and on all networks. So, this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to open our Google Play Store, and then we search Edoz Tunnel VPN Pro, and then we install it on our mobile device and open it. Then we're going to join the Telegram channel to keep up with all important updates. We are going to click later for a moment. So if we click later, we're going to click later for a moment. But remember, this tutorial is purposely for education purposes only. We are not responsible for any harm caused out of it, and users may use it at their own risk. We are not responsible for any harm caused. So we're going to come right here where I have those three dots in the top right corner, and then we click on those three dots. We're going to click where we have the updates right here, and then wait for a few moments. Dear viewers, please help us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also share this with your friend and family. Right now we have updated the VPN application. This is how we are going to be setting it. But remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Remember to like our video. If you get any problem, rush to the comment section. It is open for this video, and then we shall be directing you. So this VPN application works in all countries and on all networks. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to come right here, and then here we have best, and then we're going to be choosing a server that is near to our location. But I recommend the best performance. Here where we have the direct access, we're going to be choosing let us wait for an advert for a few moments. Then we're going to choose, we have these servers right here. We're going to search for the UDP, and then you're going to choose the first in the results, and then you're going to all connect on this server. But before connecting, let us go back to those servers. I want to talk something. Dear viewers, we recommend you to use a server from your country if it works, but if it doesn't fail, choose this one, because this one will be working. Then connect, and after connecting, it will show you that it has connected successfully, and you can watch a video to get more 4 hours, because right now we have 30 minutes, that is 29 minutes and 48 seconds. So I sign out.